Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to find a special number which is called build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter system and tap on developer options. And here, as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the background check, show surface updates or layout bounds, change the transition animation scale. Here you've got the options which are connected with the networking, so a lot of options to choose from to customize. If you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it, just like that, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this highlighted switcher at the top of the screen. You can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.